Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Arginine liquid. Start with the lowest suggested dose and keep a log of how you feel each day. Take it on an empty stomach for faster absorption or with a small snack if it causes nausea. Avoid taking it with medications that lower blood pressure without medical advice. Stay consistent and adjust timing or dose based on tolerance and results. Begin with a manageable dose, like 1 to 3 grams daily, and split doses if needed for comfort. Increase gradually only if tolerated and under guidance from a clinician. Pay attention to timing in relation to meals, workouts, and medications to optimize benefits and reduce side effects. Keep track of blood pressure and any muscle or digestive changes. Adjustments should aim for steady improvements without abrupt increases. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more clear supplement tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during dosing and workouts and fits most cup holders, which keeps your routine smooth. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For performance, take L-Arginine about 30 to 60 minutes before exercise to support blood flow. Be cautious when combining with medications that affect blood pressure, as interactions can occur. If you feel lightheaded, dizzy, or unusually flushed, pause supplementation and consult your provider. Consider spacing it from meals or other supplements to assess tolerance. Consistent monitoring and clear communication with your clinician will keep you safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.